Hey there, cool cat. Welcome to your next mental health music lesson with Imanni Music. Today we're going to be talking about the articulation called the slur. Slurs are a little bit special because unlike articulations that we talked about in the past, like the staccato and just like the accent, slurred notes connect several notes at a time together to flow together smoothly. They also make something that looks like a happy face. Let's do a little sample study as if this was an experiment. Let's take three notes. Let's call them, let's just put them on a little bit of an incline, and let's call this one do, let's call this one re, and let's call this one mi. When these notes are played separately, you'd say, let's get a little bit of a do here. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi. Notice that when you sing it, do, re, mi. If you really want to play these notes true to the Normale style, which is without any connectedness between them, you'll want to have a little bit of breath in between the notes. Do, re, mi. You can either do this by inhaling or simply by stopping the airflow with your throat or with parts of your mouth. You can exercise this by exhaling and then stopping that exhale. Like that. Over time, you'll be able to develop this skill so that you can make even shorter stops like this. If we were to say these words as staccato, it simply means that instead of as we were singing them in Normale style, do, re, mi, they become shorter. Do, re, mi. Notice that when I sing that, I'm actually doing what we talked about before, but it's as if I am holding a bit of air back and then letting it out in little bursts. It's as if I'm blowing out little candles, but then combining that with a syllable. Do, do, do. Eventually, you'll be able to change this into pitch. Do, do, do. I usually use my tongue also to help out with this airflow, stopping and starting the air. I was inspired by learning how to play a little bit of flute and a little bit of clarinet in my past life to help me be able to sing solfege a little bit better and teach y'all as well. Now, to the moment we've been waiting for, slurs. So, instead of singing it normally, like we were doing before, now we're going to connect them together with a single airflow. Do, re, mi. And what I'm doing with my mouth is simply breathing out, exhaling, like we practiced before, and simply moving my lips and my mouth in ways that form these letters. Do, re, mi. Just like that. We can also do this with our lovely little piano. Oops. Here we go. By simply going between the notes and almost letting go right between the notes. Just like your voice, where you're changing your lips or your aperture. We are almost having each note overlap. And honestly, when you're playing slurs, some people like to play it where fingers are overlapping. It's not that strict of a science when it comes to slurs. So whichever way feels best for you. In the next lessons video, I'll show you slurs in examples with music. Thank you so much for watching this Imanni music mental health lesson for today. I hope that this was insightful, I hope it was helpful, and I hope it was healing for you. Please come back again next lesson. I can't wait to teach you it, And if you have any questions or would like to share a video of yourself performing for some free feedback, then definitely contact me with, I think there's a link on my profile. I think TikTok is allowing me to do that now. But if there isn't, just leave a comment. We'll find a way. We always find a way, don't we? Okay, y'all. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. This has been Imanni. Bye.